Are you single? Are you taken? Are you dating? Anong status mo, Andrea?
Tito Boy, single pa din.
Single pa din.
Single pa din, pero open to meet new people. Although hindi na bago sa akin po to, kasi usually talaga, in between ng boyfriends ko, 2 years, 3 years. Matagal talaga.
Derek was your last boyfriend?
Yes po.
Okay.
So parang 3 years po ata, kung tama ang bilang ko.
When you say you're open, are you waiting or are you searching? Meron ganun eh. There's a way of doing
Hindi
it.
naman, Tito Boy. Go with the flow lang. Pagka sinabi ng friends ko na, uy, meet mo to, feel ko bagay kayo. Sige, meet ko yan. Tingnan natin. Hinintay ko lang yung spark. May nafe-feel ako, Tito, na connection at kilig na lagi ko hinahanap na alam kong once ma-feel ko yun, dire-diretso na yun.
And so far in the last years, wala kang nakikitang spark.
Opo eh. Okay naman yung personality, okay naman lahat, pero parang kailangan mo ipilit yung kilig. So,
Correct. Oo.
Waiting lang. I'm sure pag ready na ako, darating yan.
Preference. You like actors? You like non-showbiz? You like younger, older? Ang dami kong tanong, no?
Actually, Tito Boy, hindi magkakamukha yung mga naging boyfriend ko. So, feeling ko it's really sa ugali.